Hi, welcome to Curry Station. Today we are going to make the onion tomato masala. This is the basic sauce for the Indian cuisine. You can make this whenever you have time, and you can keep in your refrigerator for 5 to 6 days. And I will show you in the next session that how to use this sauce. And this one very easy to make. We need just chopped onion, like a one small size, same one chopped tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, and chili powder, and we have a little bit tomato paste, 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, and cumin seed, and 3 tablespoon oil, which we're gonna put here. Let the pan get hot first, and wait for until the oil gets hot. Good thing about that, you can keep it in your refrigerator, and whenever you are in a mood to eat the fresh food and you wanna cook at home, fresh veggies or meat or anything, you can just saute the veggies with some spice and add this sauce in it, and it will be ready to go, and it will be very quick, and you will be able to cook the very delicious food very easily. So I'm making this video especially for the people who don't have much time for the cooking, and especially they eat out and they really want to cook but they don't have time. So I'm gonna show you the easy way. It's gonna be simple, fresh, and authentic, and of course delicious. So oil is hot right now. We're gonna add around like a 1 tablespoon of the cumin seed, and we're gonna add straight away the onion in there. Yeah, so you have to be very careful in this situation, because the oil is very hot, and as soon as you put the cumin to it, they're gonna be golden brown color, as you can see, and straight after that you have to add the onions so that they will not burn. And we need to saute the onions until they get golden brown color. See, it doesn't take long time, and it's like this is 1 onion and 1 tomato. This is enough for 2 to 3 people or 2 to 4 people. If you have like 2 children and husband and wife, this is a perfect. You can cook any veggies or any meat with this. Even you can make chicken curry, you can make okra masala, you can make beans masala, or anything, eggplant curry. So you see that like onions are getting golden brown. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, oh, I love ginger garlic paste, and this is also like a very good for your health as well, and brings your sauce to the next level. And then we're gonna add some tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Mix well. You have to saute the tomato paste also a little bit, otherwise it gives you the raw flavor. And we're gonna add some chopped tomatoes. Like that. So you can see that it doesn't take really long time to prepare this one. So if you prepare this sauce and keep in your refrigerator, your half work is done. So it's easy to cook after this, like any meat or any vegetables, anything. You can cut it, saute, and add with the spices, whatever spices you want, and add this sauce. So we're gonna add a little bit turmeric powder, like a 1 teaspoon, and a little bit chili powder. If you don't like hot, you can add less, or if you don't want to add, that's fine. And we're gonna add some salt in it. You see that the tomatoes are breaking now, they are cooking, so we have to cook like a few seconds more. Turn on the heat. As you see that it's pretty quick. This sauce is ready right here, and you can cool down, and after that keep in your refrigerator. And there is another trick, like if you want to reduce the oil in your diet, what happens, like after it's cooled down, all the oils comes on the top, and from the tablespoon you can take out that oil and throw it out, so that you'll have less oil. But we didn't use that much oil, but if you really care about that, you can do that as well. So thank you very much for watching. I will show you in the next session how to use this sauce. Thank you.